Well, so the job of the operator is to keep the machine running
Yes.
24/7 if possible.
Yes.
But how do you care for the machines?
This is one important also feedback we got from our customers, maintenance. So I mean, they say, well, listen, your machine is so productive, we want to keep it running 24/7. What can we do on maintenance? Now, what we've done in this new delivery we talk about in a minute, we have optimized the lubrication of the chain, but also we have looked at each of the lubrication points in the machine and tried to centralize them, try to automate the lubrication process by progressive distribution and by pumps. On top of that, also optional, you can have this machine with gripper bars who are long life lubricated. These are sealed bearings and you don't need to lubricate them over the lifespan. So again, we've cut down, for example, on a 6-coater, we've cut down the individual lubrication points by about 200, a little bit more than 200. So it makes it much easier, much faster in maintenance.